Hey guys, I did a video on the TK Tanker Company and someone commented, did you mean TNK symbol instead of the TK symbol? So this is a new company that I just started looking up and I didn't make a mistake looking at their chart, but I made a mistake on their company divisions, and they have three different ticker symbols. They have TK, which is their shipyard services, and that's the chart that I looked at last time that bounced well during the crash, but it's not the same chart as TNK. TNK is their tankers. That's not a K. TNK. TNK is their tankers, and then it's TGP is their other division, which is their natural gas. And the TK stock bounced well during the bull trap, and TGP is not particularly interesting chart, but TNK is actually their oil tanker division, which is what I meant to look at. The chart I meant to look at last time is TNK, which is the TK Tankers. And let me look at it this time, and this is the chart that is the tanker chart that I meant to look at last time. So let's see what it did. 5, 6, 7, 20. Here. So here's what the stock market did, and dead cat, bounce, bull trap, and now it's starting to turn over. And here's what the tankers did during the entire crash. Just went nuts, like full long during the entire crash. So, I mean, like this is their dead cat, and like this is their bull trap movements, and now this is their reversal off the top of the bull trap. So this is a really good long through the whole crash, it looks like. And I'm expecting about a week or two of down movement now, coming off of this bull trap. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So I'm looking at a down move now with the S&P, with the general stock market, and this looks like it's coming down also. So there's some spots. This is a really good long right now during the crash, especially if you get in on the up moves, I would think, because it pulls down and then shoots up. This is the dead cat and the two swings of the bull trap. So there are bottoms. You want to get it on the bottoms, and here's where I think they're going to be. I think that we're going to get a dead cat move in about a week or two, and then we'll get a bull trap swing in another 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. And that's where you want to get them, like on that dead cat and then on that bull trap. And it looks like they're going not down and up, they're going like this, like up. So it looks good, and yeah, just still think that this is good to grab on the lows, and then potentially you could go levered long or just like call options and get aggressive with it, something like that. And I'm going to try to do this and gold. I think these are my top two long positions for the up moves during the rest of this crash over the next month and a half. And then once we get to the end of this credit contraction cycle, this is a month and then a month and a month, kind of. That's the kind of shape that I'm expecting out of the S&P, the just general credit contraction kind of down, bounce thing. And then about a month and a half out, when the S&P switches fundamentals and we get into a growth expansion phase, I don't know what to expect out of the tankers. I would imagine oil prices start coming up at that point if they're not already, and I don't know fundamentally. Yeah, so this kind of conditions is good for energy, but maybe not as good for the tankers. But I mean, they're at full capacity and full employment now, and if the oil prices start going up, then that helps them sell instead of just holding. So I don't know how they'll behave at the end of this cycle. I think they'll still be really good. But during the crash on the up moves, which I think we have two more strong up moves that we're looking for. it'll be a dead cat, and then the next little bull trap swing will be 2 up moves. Oops, will be 2 up moves, and you could either hold through the bull trap or swing trade it or something like that. So yeah. So anyways, sorry, this is not investment advice. I don't recommend anyone does trading based on my models. Although that is what I am doing, and I am always smashing that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, okay, so that's a good look at this. I guess I'll do I'm gonna go pull up all the different oil tanker companies. There's like 7 or 8 oil tanker companies that I looked up, and I want to see what all their charts look like, because this is way better than I thought it was, because I just looked up the wrong division of their company. I looked up their shipyard services instead of their tanker division. So TNK is the tankers, and it is awesome. It has been awesome through the whole crash, and it does come down when the stock market comes down, but then it just shoots way up, and the general direction is up. This is a really, really good company during the crash. One of the best ones I've seen for sure. And it's an actual long that you could hold through the crash. So I think I'll be swing trading it, though, not holding it. And I'm not going to buy it right here on the peak of the bull trap. I'm going to try to find this dead cat or this next bull trap bottom. And that is the plan with TNK, the TK Tankers.